dis des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen, and for today's video I'm gonna be doing a recommendation video with all the makeup products that you need when you're just starting with makeup and you really don't know what to get. So yeah, I hope this video will be helpful, and without further ado, let's just get into it. But before I forgot, if you guys are interested with the makeup look that I'm wearing right now, then please make sure to check out the description box below because I will put it there. So let's just get into it. First off, I'm gonna start with all the base makeup that you need, and you don't need much, trust me. So the first thing that I recommend, and I highly recommend even if you're not wearing makeup, this is the Klairs Soft Airy UV Essence. I highly recommend that you use any sort of SPF product on your face on a daily basis because it's important. It protects your skin from the sun, and sun can cause you aging and other sort of like skin problems. So it's important that you use a good SPF product, and the one that I recommend is from Klairs. This by far is my all-time favorite SPF product. Not sticky at all, it's not heavy, so I highly recommend. And also the best thing about this product is that it didn't freak me out because I've used a lot of SPF products and sadly they didn't work out for me, but for this one I don't have the same problem. That's why I really like it, and I highly recommend. And the next thing that I recommend is moisturizer. Moisturizer is very important when applying makeup, or even if when you're not applying makeup, because it helps protect your skin. The one that I wanted to recommend is the Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. I love this cream so much, I'm almost out of it. I love it because again, it's not heavy, it's very lightweight, and it's very moisturizing. The next product that I wanted to recommend is a concealer. A little bit of concealer on my moisturizer, and it serves as my base makeup. And yeah, so get yourself a good concealer. It's very useful. And the next thing that I highly recommend, I don't really want to recommend you guys with foundation, just because when you're just starting with makeup, of course you're not going to wear full face makeup on. So I highly recommend instead is some sort of like very lightweight coverage, and the one that I wanted to recommend is from Peripera, and this is their Ink Skin Tint. The reason why I recommend this product is because it gives you that right amount of coverage without the look of wearing makeup, and also it doesn't feel heavy at all. It doesn't feel like you're wearing anything at all. That's why I really like it. It doesn't give you that much coverage, which is why I recommend this product. Yeah, so I highly recommend this because it doesn't look like you're wearing makeup, trust me. So yeah, highly recommend. If you're the kind of person that you wanted to invest on something that has coverage, then I highly suggest the Peripera Airy Ink Cushion. This one is so affordable, you guys. So I already have the SPF, so if you're on a budget and you don't really want to invest on different products just to complete your base makeup, then I highly suggest that you get this product because it already has SPF, so you don't really need to apply some sort of SPF. But for me, in my case, I still do because you never know. Also, what I love about this product and why I recommend this product, because it is very high coverage. You don't need concealer when you have this product. Also, it's very easy to apply, and yeah, recommended. Next thing that I wanted to recommend is a petroleum jelly. This might seem very random, but this guy is so useful because you can use this on your lips as a lip balm, and it also kind of protects your lips from damage. I use this as my sleeping mask, like lip sleeping mask, and it works amazing, so get yourself one of these. Next thing that I wanted to recommend is a good powder palette, and the one that I wanted to show you guys is from Popbeauty, and this is their powwow powder. And the reason why I recommend this powder is because It comes in these 4 very usable shades. This I'm pretty sure you can use as a powder already, but this 2 color is quite too dark for me, so I use them as my base eyeshadow, and I use this too as, oh my gosh, and I use these 2 colors as my contouring powder and eyeshadow. The reason why I recommended you guys getting these instead of eyeshadow palette is because this colors is basically all the colors that you need if you're just starting with makeup. And yeah, so I highly recommend that you get yourself a good one. And yeah, next product that I wanted to recommend is an eyebrow pencil. Yes, an eyebrow pencil, just because I feel like eyebrow pencils are more versatile than eyebrow powders and stuff, and I highly recommend this one because it's so affordable and it's so good, you guys. I've been using this, I don't know how long I've been using this, but I really like this. This one I got from Miniso for 150 pesos, which is such a steal, you guys, and I love it because it has 2 and the other one is very thin, which is perfect for precise eyeliner looks, and I sometimes use this as my eyeliner, so it's a good deal because you get 2 good uses out of this one product, so I highly recommend. Next thing that I wanted to recommend is to get yourself a good multi-purpose product such as lip tint and lip stains. The reason why I'm recommending this one, this is from Peachkiss, and the reason why I'm recommending this product is because you can use this on your lids, on your cheeks, as well as on your lips. So if you really don't want to invest on a lot of makeup products and you just wanted something that you can use on a daily basis, I highly recommend this product because it's really versatile. And yeah, there's really nothing much to say about this, but basically it's a good multi-purpose product and it's very affordable. So, and last but not the least is a good translucent powder. I don't really powder my whole face, but this is important. If you have oily skin, then this is a perfect product for you. I know some powders tend to look very cakey and unnatural, so I highly recommend this product, and this one is so affordable as well, so I recommend that you get this one. And also I use this as my dry shampoo sometimes, so it's very good versatile product. And yeah, okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope I was helpful, and let me know what you think on the comment section down below. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. 널 찾게 만들어 생각나